What's up, guys? It is now the crack of 9:30 in the morning, and I'm going to get those other $50 rolls that I didn't get yesterday. I am very tired. I was up very late, went out and partied a little bit. Nothing crazy. I don't drink, but I'm a little tired, and it's raining today. I think this is the first time it's rained in Florida since I've been here. It usually doesn't rain, so anyway, hopefully I find something in these rolls. I'm pretty excited. We're going to do some of them live tonight, so stay tuned. Alright, so I just went to Bank of America, got 210. That's all they had left. I asked her, I said, was this something that, somebody ordered? And she said no, that she just ordered them because people want them. And I was like, you're kidding me. I have so much problems with my bank that they won't order them for me. I was telling her all this, and she's like, what? She's like, you need to open an account with us. She's like, I just order them just for the fun of it, because she says so many people ask her for them. She just decided to start ordering them, and her coworkers thought she was crazy, and so I came in and bought the rest of them. They're all like, what? So that was pretty awesome. So I'm going to take these home, and we will go through some of them live. I might just do them all. I don't know. Why don't you stay tuned and find out. What's up, guys? Thought we'd do a few of these live today. I kind of went outside because everybody's still asleep. So I'm just going to start cracking into one. Let's see if we can find some. I don't know what that is. That looks like maybe a proof or something, possibly. It has kind of a different color to it. Yeah, it might be a proof. It's a 99. I don't know. Looks like it might have been from like an uncirculated set, possibly, because it's thicker. 71, 81. Not seeing much in this row. 72 by Centennial. There's a 2000. Nothing in that one. Let's try another one. Stack them over here. Alright. Hands are already all dirty. Hope I find something. It's a lot of work to get up at 9:30 in the morning. Whoa! The wind just blew right through here. I'll go through them real quick. I'm not seeing anything in these. Alright, try another roll. Come on, something. Give me something. Ooh. Does that look good on camera? That looks good to me. Oh, we'll see. That looks like it might be silver. It's a possibility. I hope so. The one next to it looks tarnished, but let's see. Let's go to that one and see. That was wrong. I got fooled. I totally got fooled on that one. Not silver. I got fooled yesterday too. It just really stood out in that roll. Alright, I don't see anything there. It'd be nice to find at least one for all this effort. Next roll. It's a rainy day, so something to do on a rainy day at least. Boy, that wind is crazy today. We have a storm coming through, I guess. Oops. Nothing in that one. Alright, let's go to another one. Not seeing anything. Let's see. Slide through them real quick. I'll go through them again. I didn't see anything in that one. Well, they want my stacking. I was trying to stack them up so I could just roll them back up, but they all fell over. That's what happens when you don't have a table. I must be allergic to something because I'm sniffling like crazy. I don't see anything in this one either. Nope. Not looking good. I don't see anything there. Just thought it'd be fun to do a live one today. Somebody's mark on that one. I've been fooled before. That one looks possible. Let's see. Let's pull it out. I don't think it is though. Keeps fooling me. It's just a 99 again. Out there. That 72, it's all tarnished. Alright, nothing in that one. I got another roll in the bag. I was just using it to hold the bag down. This wind. Come on, give me something today. I need my silver fix. Doesn't look good. No. think so. Double check. Let's start to rain again. It's kind of nice though. I've missed the rain. It's been sunny all the time, but you gotta have that rain once in a while. It's nice. Sure would be nice to get a walking liberty right about now. But I don't see anything in this. Nothing. I feel like I'm gonna get skunked today, guys. Oh man, the rain's really coming down now. I might have to pause and do the rest of another time because it's really coming down. I don't want my camera to get wet. Ah! Yeah, it's coming in even into here. It's crazy. So guys, I'm gonna go ahead and pause it because it's getting kind of crazy. All right. Nothing crazy, not too bad now. It's slowed down a little bit. But I'm gonna have to move it indoors because everything is getting wet out here. the chair that I was using is like covered in water and dirt. And all the coins are all dirty now. I'm gonna have to wash them. Alright, it slowed down. I'll do the rest of them. Might as well do the rest at this point. Not much left. I have a feeling we're getting skunked today, guys. Which happens a lot, actually. Just because I post a video every day of finding something doesn't mean I don't get skunked. I just go through a lot of stuff. I got 1,000 coming Tuesday in halves. And I might have to do a box of something else in the meantime. That'll go on a couple hunts. I'm just running out of places to hunt right now. I've gone through everything, it seems like. Nothing. I need to do that road trip. Man, I didn't even get an NIFC. Wow. I'm hurting today, guys. These rolls are weird. They feel like they're old. They're tearing apart really weird. I don't know. They feel like they got wet or something. Maybe they delivered them in the rain or something. I don't know. There's a, oh, there's an NIFC. Finally. 2008. So there's one. Action. And there's a 2000. I've got so many of the NIFCs though. I need to start selling some of those off. Start rolling them up and selling them by the roll. Sell all the proof ones. I like the proofs. I think they look really cool, but I don't really collect them. So let's see what we got here. Oh, there's one with a hole in it. 1985.
Somebody want to make a necklace? Alright, nothing else in those. Alright, sorry about that. Alright, this is the third to the last roll. Gotta find something. What's that? Nope. I thought it was a possibility. For some reason I can see the silver outside better. I think it's just the better lighting. It's funny, I can't see it with my eyes, but when I watch on camera, I can definitely see it when I'm in the house. But the camera really helps. Nothing in that. Alright, last roll, guys. What are you betting that there's silver in here? I'm gonna say probably not likely, but crazier things have happened. And yeah, it's not looking good. So that was the end of the hunt, guys. Yeah, the only thing I got today was a 2008 NIFC. You know, sometimes you just get skunked and there's nothing you can do about it. But I did get an NIFC, which is something, I guess. I know they're low mint. I want to say it's probably somewhere around 2 or 3 million made. So anyway, you know, I'll have to go find another box and we'll look again. In the meantime, I hope you guys are able to find a lot of silver, find something cool, and make sure you like, subscribe, share, and I'll see you next time. Happy hunting.